The following is a routine weekly test for the following counties in Tennessee: Bedford, Canning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device, an emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, and specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK63, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.475 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Coffee County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Bedford, Canning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device, an emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.